Do you know how to add a product class in SYSPRO? Well, this tutorial will show you how.
This tutorial will include the following: adding a product class without a branch, adding a product class to a branch, copying product classes between branches, and lastly, adding a product class to multiple branches.
Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be taking a look at product classes in SYSPRO. Let's get started.
We're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable, then we're going to go to Browsers, and we're going to look for Browse on Product Classes. We're going to click there. Okay, I'm just going to make my screen bigger. Okay, so because we are adding a product class without a branch, we're going to click on View, then we're going to deselect by branch, and then we're going to click on the Add icon to add a new branch. So here we're going to enter our product class code. And we're going to tap off, and here we're going to type in the description. So I copy the description and pasted it there. Okay, after we are done, we're going to then click on the save icon. We're going to close this program, and we're going to close the product classes window as well. And that is how you add a product class without a branch. We're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable, then we're going to go to Setup, and we're going to go to Product Classes. I'm just going to maximize my screen. On Global, we're going to select Branch, and on Branch, we're going to enter our branch code, and we're going to tap off to Product Class to enter our product class code. And we're going to tap off to the description to then enter our description. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to click on the save icon to save our new product class. Okay, then we're going to close this program. And that is how you add a product class with a branch.
I hope you're finding this tutorial to be informative. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share this tutorial. Now let's continue with the rest of the tutorial.
We're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable, then we're going to go to Browsers, and we're going to look for Browsers on Product Classes, or Browse on Product Classes, that is. As you can see, we can see product classes for branch 10. What we want to do is copy these product classes to a different branch. So we're going to go to Edit, we're going to click on Edit, then we're going to click on Copy. As you can see, we are copying from branch 10 and we're copying into branch 30. Then we're going to click on Start Copy. Okay, that is done. Then we're going to go to branch 30, tap off, and branch 30 has the very same product classes as branch 10. We're going to close this program, and that is how you copy product classes between branches. We're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable, then we're going to go to Setup, and we're going to go to Product Classes. I'm just going to make my screen bigger. So on product class, we're going to type in our product class code, and we're going to tap off. And on update branches with this product class, we're going to make sure that this box is ticked. Then we're going to click on the save icon. We're going to close this program. And that is how you add a product class to multiple branches.
We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which videos you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.